guys, welcome back to Gem's Kitchen. If you guys want to know how I made this salt and pepper chicken wings, then keep watching. So first you need yourself some clean chicken. Make sure you wash that chicken really well. And then what you're going to do is to get a hand towel and just pat the chicken dry so your chicken is not like too watery or anything like that. So once that's done, I'm going to wash my hands and I'm going to start with the seasoning. So for seasoning, I'm going to be using garlic salt. I put about 1 teaspoon, I would say, or 1.5 teaspoon of garlic salt. And then I'm going to sprinkle that all over the chicken wings. And then I'm going to be using some nutmeg. But I only used about half a teaspoon, just a little bit. I didn't want to overpower the chicken. So after that, I'm going to then use my all-time favorite Aromat. I'm going to put a generous amount in there because I want my chicken wings to taste nice and flavoursome. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my white pepper. I'm going to put a bit in there as well. This white pepper is quite spicy, so a little bit makes it really spicy. So after that, I'm going to mix that through, make sure that my chicken wings is coated in all that seasoning. And then I'm going to cover it and leave it to marinate for about 2 hours. After about 2 hours, it's time for us to fry our chicken. So I'm gonna coat the chicken wings in plain flour. I didn't season the flour, I just used normal plain flour just to cover up the chicken wings. It makes it nice and crispy once you fry. So yeah, I'm just gonna cover it all up and then get it ready to be deep fried. So my chicken is ready to be deep fried. Make sure your oil is nice and hot. So to test it, just put like the tip of the chicken in there. Once you hear it sizzling, that means the oil is ready. So yeah, I'm gonna pop all that chicken wings in there and then deep fry it. So I fry my chicken for about 20 to 25 minutes, 10 minutes on both sides, and then the last 5 minutes I just play around with it just to make sure that it's cooked, it's well cooked and also nice and crispy. So as you can see guys, the chicken wings is ready, so it's time for me to take it out. Just take a look at how nice and golden brown it looks, and it's so nice and crispy. So I'm going to take all that chicken out and then I'm going to fry the next batch. So guys, this is how your chicken wings is supposed to look, nice and golden brown and crispy. So yeah, the chicken wings are cooked. As you can see, they look so good, but we're not done yet. It's time to stir fry. So to stir fry, we're using chilies, spring onions, onion and garlic. So first, make sure that you heat your pan with a little bit of oil, and then you're gonna put in your onions and your garlic, and then you're gonna stir fry that for about 5 minutes. And then after the 5 minutes, you're gonna put in your spring onion and your chili, and then you're gonna stir fry that for about 5 to 7 minutes, I'll say, just to make sure that all the aroma is out. And then you're gonna season it with some garlic salt, not too much, just a little bit, because don't forget the chicken wings is well seasoned. And then here I'm putting in just a little bit of Aromat, and then I'm gonna just stir it for about 2 more minutes, and then I'm gonna pop the chicken wings in there, and I'm gonna stir fry that for about 5 to 10 minutes or so. So after about 5 minutes of stir frying, I'm gonna put some chili and garlic flakes. This is just to give the chicken wings some more flavor and make it a bit more spicy, because don't forget this is salt and pepper chicken wings, so it's supposed to be really spicy. So yeah, after that I'm just gonna shake it all up, make sure it's all coated in all the vegetables and seasoned, and our chicken wings is nice and ready. You can serve this with any meal of your choice. I am actually serving this with some special fried rice. Watch out for my next video on how I made this special fried rice. It's so delicious, guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.